Okay. Yes. Thank you again, Abudo, for joining me. Today's topic, I'm gonna talk about fear. So, according to yes, I'm gonna talk about fear today. According to UK Online App Dictionary, fear is a strong, uncontrollable, unpleasant emotion caused by actual or perceived danger or threat. Now, there are various types of fear. Fear such as social phobia, which is a fear of being in a social situation, and claustrophobia, which is a fear of being in enclosed space. Acrophobia, fear of height. Glossophobia, which is a fear of public speaking, and gamophobia, a fear of marriage. Now, one would wonder what causes excessive fear. This really varies from different types of fear, but things like environmental factors, genetic and traumatic life experiences can be one of the contributing factors to excessive fear. Now, what can one do to overcome excessive fear? Again, these depend on the causes of fear one is experiencing. However, one can, do basic things such as living a healthy lifestyle, which is basically eating healthy, exercising, having enough sleep, and also face your fear if possible. For example, if you have a fear of public speaking, it will be ideal to actually do public presentation now and then, and eventually you see that your fear of public speaking reduce or actually like go away completely. And also, if the excessive fear that one is experiencing is preventing them from living a normal life, it's really advisable that a person seek professional help. And we should also take note that it is, fear is not a problem, but excessive fear is the problem. So we need a little bit of fear to,